Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to highlight two different columns in Excel. Excel has several options for formatting cells. When you want to highlight a column, you can change the background color of the cells so that the column stands out. You may want to highlight columns maybe to draw the reader's attention or maybe to differentiate them from the rest of the data. So there are two ways of doing this. So the first way is to use the button on the ribbon. So now I need to select two different columns. So I place the cursor on the first cell, press Ctrl, Shift and down arrow. This takes me to the bottom of the column. Now keeping the Control key down, I go to the next column and again press Shift down arrow. So now that I have these two columns selected, I can go to the button on the ribbon. This is under the home menu and select the color that I want for these columns. So this is one way of doing this. I'll undo this change by pressing Ctrl Z. Now keeping these columns selected, I can right click and go to Format Cells. This opens the Format Cell box and I go to the Fill tab, and here I will select whatever color I want for the background and say OK. So now as you can see, the two different columns, these are not adjacent to each other, have been highlighted by changing the background color of the cells. This is how to highlight two different columns in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.